All right, hello everyone. I just wanted to do a short video because yesterday I did a sequence of trades and this was just like to show how things can pan out. Now I posted everything as I was doing it yesterday on Twitter. So if you come to the Twitter page, Global Trader Club, blah, 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 okay, you'll see that there's a sequence of posts here, okay? And it started off with this one. Okay, so that was in the morning because we had that morning session and the Astro hours here were looking pretty good. So I took the trade on that one, and I take the trade, as you know, always on this platform here. I see markets live trade here. So this is where that thing happened. And until here, we managed the trade. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is this, because you should be following your trade with price and time together. Because remember in the video, I said selling the highs is okay, buying the lows are okay, because we still have targets at the top, including that 2069 level we had. So when the market was up here at Astro hours here, selling was okay as the market came down. Now look, this is the first place you want to cover the trade. As you can see, the trade covered like 1 to 2.5, and that was fine. The rest of the trade is a bonus, right? So once you enter the trade, you can cover it through and you follow it then to the next Astro hour, right? So this is the Astro hour. We're expecting the market to come down according to our technical analysis. So the Astro hour here, as you can see, just pushing the market down at the Astro hour, okay, and bringing it to our target, which is there, okay? And this is where you take the profit and you just leave it alone. And then I said, now let's talk about going the other way. Why? Because we understand there's room for the market to go up. So if it's coming down before it goes up to a target, then we want to buy in order to get up there. So the market comes down into the Astro hours. I bring it into the smaller time frame, and the market reaction, the pullback happens, enter, your tight stop is there, okay? And then that's it, you just let it go. Sometimes you can put your stop loss slightly under if there's the opening pivot. Initially, I put it under the opening pivot, and this is why the cover was a bit up there. Still, this covering target was 1 to 4. Once the market started moving, I put the stop loss up here and I moved the first target further up into that 2063 zone, okay, which you can actually see it was here at 2060. Then I moved it into there, you can see there, into that 2062 zone where the market hit it off and then it moved up into there. Higher level at the end. Now remember, we also had a tricky period. I talked about this in the video and also said it that, we need to look out for this hour. Why? Because it was 7:55 my time, right? And we just needed to be careful because I was expecting, as the market got to this hour, I was expecting, sudden moves in the market, which is exactly kind of what happened here. As you can see, that 7:55 is there, right? So the market made a quick dip down, quick dip up, and then broke out nice and easy. So once that happened, the profit was taken at 62, and then the market pushed up even higher, came into that 2069, and it's all honky-dory, okay? So basically, what you have to do is to understand you got to buy and sell at the highs and the lows. And if you're going to muck around in between, you need to do that with proper money management where you're actually understanding what's going on. So if you're going to go higher, then you can come down to a smaller time frame and then you can go in here as the market pulls back. But you must have, remember in the technical analysis training, there are these criteria that we must have before going into a trade. And if I don't have a bias, I can go short or long. It doesn't matter as long as the price and the time are right. And this is why our trading is so unique, because we want to be at the right price at the right time. Just like they say, you got to be at the right place at the right time.